Hey, I'm Todd Merrill. Welcome to my house. Let me give you a tour. I live and work in a 1970s contemporary beach house, which functions as my design lab and my home. Everything in the house is either vintage 20th century or is work by artists that I represent. Let me show you the foyer. Here we have a group of work by artist Markus Haase. He is a master stone carver and he casts in bronze. He's one of the few artists who's capable of combining alabaster and onyx into his beautiful original design sconce, chair, which is in black and bronze. And then we have a light pendant hanging in the middle of the room here, which is polished bronze, hand cast, and hand carved alabaster pieces around the inside. Kind of set like a big piece of jewelry.